Your pension is a subscription you never signed up for because you're paying ongoing fees forever in perpetuity. And to give you an idea, 1% in fees over 20 years on £1 million portfolio is £500,000. So it really does add up. And where does that £500,000 go? It goes to the fund manager, the wealth manager, the IFA. No wonder St. James's Place is very posh sounding, and in the FTSE 100, it goes to those kind of companies. And when they get that kind of regular income, you don't realize you're paying a subscription you simply didn't sign up for, or realize or see it as a subscription. So let's unravel it somewhat. First of all, is it possible for you to get rid of a subscription and have a one-off fee? Yes. Secondly, can you get rid of the layers that you have of IFA, then puts it to a wealth manager. The wealth manager then takes their fees as well and puts it into a fund. That fund then takes its fees and puts it into another fund. That fund takes its fees and then puts it into some stocks where the brokerage that they bought the stocks through takes its fees as well. Can you break that endless cycle? Well, actually, with a little bit of education information, you could just circumvent all of those, and just go straight and buy the individual securities. 20 securities, 5% each, maybe 40 securities, 2.5% in each. Quality companies based upon their revenue growth, for instance, their growth in sales, their growth in profitability over a prolonged period of time. And then you hold them. You don't trade them. You hold them for 12 months and then rebalance so they're all equally weighted. Then another 12 months, then another 12. You give it 3 years. That's a pension. That's the starting point for a pension. Now, of course, if you need capital, because you're on the brink of retirement, you would want to make sure those pension values are less volatile. And you would also want to make sure that you've got capital, i.e. cash, safe in the bank. The more your needs, the closer to retirement you are. But those are little tweaks, and we've got a bunch of free tools on alpeshpatel.com which help you learn about those things and educate you on those things. So have a look at the free pension education review that we do. Have a look at all the free tools we have on alpeshpatel.com. But most importantly, take one step further so that your pension stops being a subscription. And if you want to know what we do, as opposed to taking all your money from you in terms of fees and managing your portfolio, we don't manage it and we don't take all your money from you for the rest of your life either. We just show you and handhold you for life, how to buy the individual stocks yourself into a SIP or ISA. So a bit like money saving expert Martin Lewis, who talks about SIPs and ISAs, we just handhold you and show you how to do it. That's it. Okay, we'll give you the data and then the explanations so you can do it. But handhold you for life. Let me say that again. Handhold you, human handholding for life. Do get in touch.